10.
In January 2002, star V838 Mon's outer surface suddenly expanded, which temporarily made it the brightest star in the entire Milky Way galaxy. Then, just suddenly, it faded. V838 Mon lies about 20,000 light-years away towards the constellation of the inner corn, Monoceros, while the light echo above spans about 6 light-years in diameter.
9.
Easily recognizable thanks to its wings covering over 3 light-years, the Butterfly Nebula lies about 4,000 light-years away in the constellation Scorpio. This sharp and colorful close-up of the dying star's nebula was recorded in 2009 by the Hubble Space Telescope's Wide Field Camera 3 installed during the final shuttle servicing mission.
8.
Resembling a hat, this is the Sombrero Galaxy. The spectacular dust rings harbor many younger and brighter stars, and the center of the galaxy is thought to house a large black hole. 50-million-year-old light from the Sombrero Galaxy can be seen with a small telescope towards the constellation of Virgo.
7.
Coronal mass ejections are often associated with other forms of solar activity, most notably solar flares or filament eruptions, but a broadly accepted theoretical understanding of these relationships has not been established.
6.
Taken in September 2011, this picture shows an aurora crossing over the southern Indian Ocean. While auroras usually occur near the poles, this one appeared at lower latitudes due to a geomagnetic storm. The storm was a moderate one, rated with what's called a KP index of 6 on a scale that goes from 0 to 9, caused by just a glancing blow from the coronal mass ejection.
5.
One of the most popular targets of both professional and amateur astronomers, the iconic Horsehead Nebula is just a tiny part of a much larger and complex Orion Nebula. The Horsehead feature is dark because it's really an opaque dust cloud that lies in front of the bright red emissions nebula.
4.
This is the most detailed visible light image of a narrow dusty ring around the star Fomalhaut, one of the brightest stars in the sky. Lying 25 light-years away, Fomalhaut is the brightest star in the constellation Piscis Austrinus.
3.
In early 2002, the Hubble Space Telescope captured a unique phenomenon known as the light echo around the star V838 Monoceros, as it suddenly brightened for several weeks. Variable star V838 Monoceros lies near the edge of our Milky Way galaxy, about 20,000 light-years away from the Sun.
2.
At approximately 2.5 million light-years away, the Andromeda Galaxy is our Milky Way's largest galactic neighbor. Despite early findings that suggested that the Milky Way contains more dark matter and could be the largest in the grouping, the 2006 observations by the Spitzer Space Telescope revealed that Andromeda contains 1 trillion stars, at least twice the number of stars as in the Milky Way.
1.
Located some 200,000 light-years from Earth, the large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way ablaze with star-forming regions, floats in space. From the Tarantula Nebula, the brightest stellar nursery in our cosmic neighborhood, to the Bean Nebula, the small and irregular galaxy is scattered with glowing nebulae, the most noticeable sign that new stars are being born.